This video is sponsored by Magical. Thank you so much, Magical, for sponsoring this video. For those that are unaware, Magical is a free productivity Chrome extension that uses AI to speed up repetitive tasks, saving me multiple hours of work every week. The templates feature lets you use shortcuts to expand text that might otherwise take time to write out. For example, I'm making my own template for my email, so I don't have to manually type it out. And it comes with templates that are already made, which makes everything a lot more efficient. I'm also creating my own internship template, and you can utilize the AI Assist feature to help format the wording. It significantly increases the efficiency of sending and receiving messages and emails, and Magical also has this transfer feature where it allows you to get information from multiple web pages and paste it into its spreadsheet. For example, I'm looking to buy a camcorder, so I can transfer the details to its spreadsheet and then compare it with other camcorders I see online. And you can also transfer multiple tabs at once by clicking the All Tabs button, which it will paste all the information onto a spreadsheet. This feature is also great for writing papers and finding sources to cite, or doing any sort of research and wanting to stay more organized in general. So make sure to download Magical at getmagical.com/Cindy or click the link in my description. And once again, thank you Magical for sponsoring this video.